Hi, Christine here with another cute, quick, and simple card I made for my son. He's going to be going to a birthday party this weekend for a 4-year-old, and I thought this was a really cute card as his little friend is really interested in race cars. And I came across one of the Cricut cartridges that my friend Gill gave me. It's called Beep Beep, and it also comes with the embossing folder that has tire tracks. And I want to thank Gill for giving it to me because it's going to be very useful. So let's get started. So I used yellow cardstock for the background, 8.5 by 11, cut in half, folded in half to give a standard A2 card. And then I took some white cardstock, and as I said, Cricut comes with the matching embossing folders with their Cricut Light series, and this embossing folder is so cute. It's got little tire tracks. And that's what I did. I pushed it through my Cuttlebug, and it is 5 1/4 by 4. And I added some red ribbon, cheater method, using adhesive, whatever. And all I'm going to do is use adhesive to put this against the card. So it's centered. And then I took the cartridge Beep Beep, and for a light, it's actually got a lot of cute images. My son loves it. He made me make him a tank and a tractor and a car just to be able to play with the paper images. So on, where is it? I don't know what page. On the bottom of the page is a race car driver, a race car. There's actually one with a driver in it, but I chose just the number 1, and he is cut at, or it is cut at 1.5 inches. So what I did is the bottom layer was in black at 1.5, the red was at 1.5, the baby blue was in the layered shift, and then the white for the number 1, and the wheels again 1.5 inches and shifted layer. And also, while I'm at it, on the back there's a whole bunch of sayings. They are really cute. Vroom, beep, beep, etc. I used the Vroom, also cut at 1.5 inches. So the bottom layer I chose was my baby blue. Then the Vroom was in yellow. The VO and the O were in red. Again, cut at 1.5 inches. So I put them together because of the small pieces and the time it takes to layer it. I chose to assemble them already, and I took a black fine tip marker and I doodled all the way around the car. And I'm just going to put, using adhesive, straight on the paper, right at the edge of the card, because I took these cute little gems that are they come, well, it's out of a larger image, but they come together, and I kind of made a little semicircular, and I use them as the exhaust coming out of the pipes. Super cute. And I'm going to actually, this one's this way. There you go. Got some hairs in there. Alright, and then I put together my Vroom and just used mono adhesive or two-way glue, and I put it straight down. Again, I did some doodling. For some strange reason lately, a lot of my cards have that, just to add some visual aid to them. Some of the images I cut, I find they're too basic, just cut with regular cardstock or paper, so I play with them with markers and other things to make them visually good. And then I just also in the center of all the letters. I just doodled again. And this one I just went straight across the O. And on the M. There you go. And there. Alright, and I just raised this up using some adhesive two-way foam. And I put it right in the center of the ribbon, like so. And I also just added a little tie quickly. And last but not the least, I used a Stampin' Up, oop, there's a gem on there, a Stampin' Up Happy Birthday stamp, and one of the Stampin' Up punches to give a very similar image to this one. And I doodled it again, and I also used some two-way tape, foam adhesive, and I just added it right on the corner like so. And there you have it. I hope he likes it. Thanks for watching.